Baby, you forgot your tie again.
That's because I have you to remind me every day.
Let's go for breakfast. Breakfast is ready. We can't both be late today. Let's eat and hurry up.
This is why I married you. You are so peaceful, loving, and disciplined. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Have a good day, my queen. I'll pick you up later after work.
Okay, love, please don't work too hard today, baby, okay? I will be waiting.
Always come.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. I welcome you to my channel. If you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Okay, do you watch that short video that just played now? That music in that video, I created it using my own script and idea. And the purpose of this video you are watching now is to show you how you can import that music, to your video background. You understand? When I posted that video, many people are asking me, after creating the music, how do one import it to how do one add it to their video background? You understand? It's very easy, but you don't know it. Like I always say, the information you know is bigger than you. Okay, now for those using CapCut to edit their video, I will do for those using InShot later. Those using CapCut to edit their video, okay, this is how CapCut looks like. This is CapCut. When you open it, you go to add new video. Okay, when you go to add new video, you select the video. By then your video is ready, or yes, your video is ready. Or if you are editing your video in your CapCut, I will still show you. Okay, now let's delay this video.
Stop saying men are naturally polygamous.
When you tap on the video you want to use, it will take you to the CapCut interface. Okay, you click your video.
Stop saying men are.
Now this video, the only thing you can hear here is what the coach is saying. You understand? But there's no music background. Watch it.
Stop saying men are natural.
You see it? No music background. Now, if you want to import that music you created using your own script to use it and do your video background music, all you have to do is, if you look down here, you see audio. You click on your audio. When you click on your audio, you see many options. After extract, click on sound. Don't click on extract. You are not extracting it. Click on sound. When you click on sound, it will take you to another interface. When you look up here, you see a fire icon that is right. After that, there is another icon that's in block shape. You click on it. When you click on it, it will give you two options here: extracted and device. You are going to click on device. Yes, because the music you want to bring in to use as your music background music is in your phone. So you click on device. When you click on device, it will take you to another, it will bring you to another interface altogether. Look at the interface now. This is where you will see all your audio recording. Your audio recording can be a call. You recorded your video call, your WhatsApp audio call, normal call. This is where you can see it if you are the type that recorded your video. But these here are the music I created using my own script. When you created the music, you can rename it or leave it with the name it came with. Okay, these are all the music I created using my own script. For any script I used in creating my AI video content, I will use that script and go and create video. So these are all the video music. So let's select one. Let me select the first one. You play it. You first of all play it to be sure that's the music you want to use. Once you play it, you click on this plus sign. It will automatically add to your video background. Okay, now you're gonna play it.
Stop saying men are naturally polygamous. That statement has destroyed so many relationships. And
now you can hear it. Now in many cases, if the volume of the music is high, that if people are watching this video, they cannot hear very well what the person is saying, as in the person and the video volume are dragging. So you have to come look down here. You see volume. You click on volume. You reduce the music volume. By then you have to be sure that the music is highlighted. Look at it there before you can click volume. You reduce the volume. After you reduce the volume, you play it
naturally
again.
Polygamous.
You play it again to be sure the volume is okay. Now another
That statement has destroyed so many relationships and excused so much bad behavior. If being polygamous is truly natural only for men.
Now this is it. Now another question someone asked me is, she said this music is just a 30 seconds music. What about video that is more than 30 seconds? How do we do it? She asked me if she can go and import it again. If you can go to audio recording to bring the music again. Yes, it's possible, but no need to do that. All you have to do is to duplicate this music. Okay, by duplicating it, just look down here. All this page has many options. Split fade. You just go by your left. You see duplicate. You can see it duplicate. So when you play this audio, when you play your music,
both men and women,
you know, it's 30 seconds. When your music stop, all you have to do is click on duplicate, and it will duplicate. Even if your video is 10 minutes, keep duplicating it until you get to that 10 minutes. Okay, if you are the type that watch movies, Nigerian movie or any other movie, you understand that their music background repeats himself. You understand? Their music background always repeats himself. That's how it works. You understand? That's how it works. So this is it for those asking how to input your music to your video background and use it as your video background. All right, thank you again for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot to share with you. And if you are here to watch that video where I teach how to create your own music to avoid copyright issue using your script, go and watch it now. Go and watch it. You learn a lot. Okay, after that, you know how to import your video. Import here to save to your gallery. I don't want to import it. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thanks.